Okay, fair. Yes, today Mibel Salim won the $220 from this phone here on our Binance account into this phone here on this side. This is our NFC phone. So yes, yes. So this is our NFC phone on this side. I have my RedotPay account here and my Google Wallet here. So I've linked them up already. So today we're gonna send $220 from this phone here, 220 USDT from this one here into this one, and then we're gonna use this one to purchase another Samsung A25 here with this phone using RedotPay. So we are documenting this process for everyone to see and have faith in whatever we are doing. Have confidence. So yes, so family, here we are. We're gonna transfer $220 USDT from this phone here over to this phone here, and we're gonna use this RedotPay to buy another phone here at Vision City, Port Moresby, and we're gonna buy a Samsung A25 today using our RedotPay Visa card. So yeah, here we are today to do that. This is my Visa card on RedotPay, and we're gonna do a transaction from here. And please watch the process through and follow along. Okay, I'm gonna copy my link and my account address here, and send it to the other phone so that I'm selecting USDT because we will be receiving USDT into our RedotPay. So it's USDT on-chain deposit. I'm selecting the first one here. Okay, I'll be using BEP Smart Chain. That one, BNB Smart Chain here, BP20. I'm selecting that. Okay, yes. So I'm copying the link and sending over to the other phone that I'll be using the Binance on. Okay, yes, fam. As you can see, you may be copying this link the RedotPay address here, and we go over to Binance. When we go to Binance, now making one the yes, that's how when we pay from Binance into our RedotPay. Select him send. Okay, send to Binance users. No, that will be on send to on-chain. On-chain. Send. Select on-chain withdraw. Yes, select that one. Okay. Select USDT. Okay, BNB Smart Chain. Yes, BP20. Select that. Okay, paste the link there. Okay, enter your amount. Enter the amount. Yes, 220. Yes. Withdraw. Okay, for that one you will be using a two phone for Binance withdrawal because you will be using the authenticator app. So you get your code from that one and you will enter it into your Binance. Yeah, that's it. Here we are on the authentication side of it, and then the code is being entered. Yes, $220 withdrawal processing. This is processing. It will go successful, and you will see the tick there. But for now, it's heading towards my RedotPay here on this phone here. We will be seeing it here on our RedotPay account balance. So it's still processing there. We will be going into our Redot shortly, but let's just wait if we get a notification on this one, our Redot here. But let's just click for now and go in and see if this $220 comes into our RedotPay. Okay, it's still on the network, so it will come in very soon. We give some time for our Binance to process and leave the transaction there to flow in the blockchain. refreshing. Okay, okay. Yes, so yeah, Binance is still processing there, so we still wait some, at least a couple of, less than 1 minute or so, maybe 1 minute or 30 seconds or something like that. We should be receiving a notification by now. Let's just check this one. One time, no, that's my setup on this phone, but we wait. Okay, verification, USDT transfer withdrawal successful over there. So yeah, we've received a successful email, withdrawal successful email over there. So it should be in our Redot account very shortly. So let's just reopen the account and see, app and see. Okay, here it is. It comes into our, from this phone here, it comes into our RedotPay account here. So on our RedotPay account now, we will go back. It's already been deposited into our account. So in order to use our RedotPay account here, we will be using this Google Wallet. Google Wallet, we already integrated our RedotPay Visa card into Google Pay Wallet. And Google Pay will do every conversion or whatever, and will just assist us with our withdrawal. So yeah, so we will be using this our Visa card here, our RedotPay Visa card here, to get into our, access our RedotPay and account, and yes, we will use that to purchase a phone today here at Wishi. Currently in this timing where we are recording this video, we are here at the Food Junction, Vision City. So thank you very much, everyone. Just flow with us and we do the proof withdrawal together. Thank you very much. So we are heading over to, I don't know, maybe a digital outlet or a Vodafone outlet there.
Phone house.
Phone house. We are heading on to phone house to use this $220 that we've sent into our RedotPay to purchase a new 825 Samsung NFC phone for one of our members in the Telegram group. Much love, much love. Let's go over to phone house.
What's this one? A16.
It might, I believe.
Check it sila pastel. A16 na. Check it capacity ko yung pastel.
Thank you about that, please.
Nice.
O patela check NFC stop. NFC stop ang pamla vibes.
Right, haven't checked.
No worries. Take your time on him.
To set up. Go settings from sorry.
Good boy. Go into settings. Go into settings now.
Tulan.
Family, mo boys compound la Samsung A16 lo. Phone house there, phone house. NFC one A16 It's about 799 kina. Yes. Thank you. One block me all NFC uh, crypto users. Yeah, one of us is asked me to help and use my RedotPay, so we purchase him a NFC phone for himself. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys. Now by me purchase him on the phone. I want them RedotPay we sub me, so to confirm that we are doing it at the Vision City phone house. Don't worry, the radio ko puti machine ka nam tao ke payment. Thank you. Yes, fam. We will be using this Visa on the phone, our RedotPay. So I'm switching on the NFC now. We put him on NFC. Okay. NFC is on now. I'm refreshing it. I'm refreshing my Google Wallet. I'm going back into my Google Wallet. Okay, NFC is on now, so we do the transaction. Yeah, I'm putting it close to the. Okay, it's picking up.
Yeah.
Bro. Yeah, it's paying now. Yeah, that's our NFC working. That's yeah. For everyone's proof, we are here at phone house, Vision City, and that's our bro here. Jackman on our Telegram here.
Hitman.
Yeah, that's the man. He wants to purchase NFC phone for himself using crypto, so we are doing that. Thank you. We've just confirmed that our so after our RedotPay is working. After every one important thing is after every transaction you have to switch off your NFC back. Otherwise, you walk past any ATM device and you will make any unnecessary transaction there. So yeah, that's our bro now. MC phone you may buy him NFC on RedotPay. Yeah, like him. Thank you very much. Big plus something straight like him. You me progress stuff. Much love. Let me pay finish then you see love. Me check him. You me check Redot balance with 220 blame. How much left? RedotPay me looking. We refresh. $26 stuff with $5 blow me $21 beli stuff with. Me tahu ko analyze want to get something more. Yes, family. Maybe I buy him phone finish. Now left over change stuff. Yeah, my boys la buy him. People la buy him. Here, remember the food junction. So I'm switching on my NFC now. This machine. Thank you. I'm close to the machine shortly. I'm pick up finish. That's it. That's RedotPay. Moment. Oh boy shopping now. Me to pago mansi now. Like